Wow, very big. Go. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Relaxing Holiday. It's a lot of snow here in Canada. Boo, very cold. So today I will be cooking. I feel like making Bao Bao bun. So follow me and see. I always use brody flour. Hello everybody. Today after I finish shopping, now I cooking. So I make Bao Bao today. So guys, this is how all of ingredients look like. This is our brownie. So I added 3 cups of flour and another 3 cups because I have big family. I need to double my recipe. Now I added 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of milk, and 1 big tablespoon of baking powder. Then you mix all the ingredients together well, and it should look like this. Now wrap it up well and cover, leave it to rest 1 or 2 hours away. And now I will start preparing the ingredient for the filling. And I am chopping the jicama. Oh, I almost forgot I need to soak the black fungus mushroom in the water while preparing. Try to finely chop the jicama in small die pieces. Onion. Okay, onion time now. It is a lot of chopping, guys. Chop, 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 chop. Now I make a little bit of music. Okay, now I cut the Chinese sausage into diagonal slices. And cut the boiling egg into 4 pieces. That's it. That's it. And here I'm using ground pork, but you can use ground chicken or ground turkey, whatever you prefer. One, two, three, four. Okay, now add all the ingredients in and mix together. One, two. Okay. So now after 1 or 2 hours, our dough is ready. We are ready to make bao bun. You roll out the dough and add in the filling. and roll them up like this. Okay, now I made a lot of them. Let's steam them up for 25 minutes. I'm tired. I need a small coffee break.
Good. Tim Horton coffee. Very good. Wow. Very big. Wow, very nice.
Hey, Lina, come. Let her try it. Here, sit here. Try it. Okay. Good, no good. Try it.
Wow, very good. Whoa. ខ្ញុំបេះទៅបាន
See? See? Side. Wow,
Wow.
looks good. See?
Wow. Very good. Wow. Nè, cặp em ơi. Em cái nhạc.
Oh, here.
Tastes so good.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Watch my next video in Cancun, Mexico. Bye-bye.
One more. It's good.